In today's video, we're going to be talking about the recently launched Divi Marketplace coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. This is Mac, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Divi Marketplace. Now I'm really excited about this because the marketplace gives us an opportunity to look for other products that relate to Divi. So this includes child themes, extensions, and layouts. So let's take a look at the website and pretty much do a quick review of this marketplace. All right, so when we take a look here, in fact, if you want to go to the marketplace, it's elegantthemes.com/marketplace. So when we land on this marketplace or this main landing page, this is what we see. So this shows all the products in the marketplace. And as you scroll through here, you can see we have our top sellers here, and they're all categorized here by themselves, which is really cool. We also see here the trending, which is also amazing. And we also have the new arrivals. So over here on the bottom, you can search more if you really want specific items. So let's say you really want to search for Divi layouts. You can just uncheck child themes and uncheck extensions. And you can also go in and add a range here, which then gives you prices within that range you've selected. And also here you can sort by most popular, price from low to high, a price from high to low, and also newest. And then over here on the bottom as well, we have the top authors. And here you can see we have Superfly, Divi Engine, and so on. And here we also have top sellers. And again, we see our top sellers here. And pretty much this is a repeat of what we have here. So let's say you want to search for something really specific. You come over here on this search bar and then you start typing. So I'm just going to put in shop. Now, the one thing I really like about this is as you're typing, it starts showing you all the results and it's all visual, right? So this is fantastic. Now, let's say I want to take a look at this Divi drone shop. So if I click on this, again, this is a child theme. Now, this gives us a product, a specific page where I can go in and take a look at the screenshots, and I can cycle through this. And this is pretty much a slider that shows me what the site looks like. And I think this is really, really good in terms of usability, because before you buy any child theme, ideally, you want to see what it looks like before you purchase it. So having this visual view is really, really cool. Now on the bottom here, we also have the details. So here you can see it says 5 layouts. It has your home, about us, features, contact, and shop. So this is what is in this product. Over here, we have the reviews tab. Right now, there's no reviews, but of course, if there are reviews, this is where you would see the reviews. And then the support here. Now, I'm not really sure if you open a ticket where this goes, or whether it goes to the actual producers of this child theme or it goes to Elegant Themes. So I'd really have to test this and get back to you guys. Okay, and then over here we have the documentation, which is really cool as well because it shows you how to install and set up this child theme. All right, so back over here, we can also search by specific category. So let's say we really want to look at only extensions. So here you can see I've just clicked on extensions, and on this tab, again, we also see the top sellers here, and then the trending and new arrivals. And then on the bottom here, you can also do your quick search. So let's say it's header. You can see here, simple heading, Divi module typewriter. So as you type, again, this is going to filter out and show you what these products are behind that main heading. And the same applies here to the layouts. So if you come over here to the layouts tab, this is where you'd, I think this will be similar to your pre-made layouts that we already have on Divi, which are absolutely free. But if I come over here, you can see the price here is $14. And this has 2 sales already. So let's take a look here at this massage homepage. So if I click here, again, we have a description of what this is about over here on the details. And if I do a live demo, it's going to show me what that layout looks like. And notice here on the top, this now takes you to the customer's page where they have this layout. So here you can see this is well designed. I really like this. I like the colors as well. They really work well. So here you can see when you hover over it, it has all this detail here. And pretty much this is a basic page, but it looks very professional. It was designed really well. And it also has some really cool animations here on hover. And when I scroll down here, there's more from the blog. And I can see they made this in a custom way, which is really cool. And it also has a beautiful footer. So anyway, this is the homepage itself. But as I mentioned, this directs to the company's page. So back over here, you just have this main detail here. Now, if you want to buy this item, all you have to do is to click here on buy this item, and you can also add your rating on the stars. Now, let's see what happens if I click on buy this item. Okay, so it looks like I have to log into my account. So I'm not going to do that, but in fact, you know what, we might as well do that. So I'm going to log in, and now you can see here, it gives me two options. We can either pay using the debit or credit card, or you can use PayPal. And again, you can see here the price is there, the VAT, and so on. And then once you purchase it, you'll be able to download the product. Okay, so back over here. So over here now on creators, this is where you want to go if you want to sell your products on the marketplace. And if you click here, this tells you pretty much how it works. But if you want to go and become a creator, this is where you'll click. And this is a basic application form. And you can see here, you can just add your details here, confirm your password, your first name, last name, email, country of residence, and then you just add a brief bio over here, and then your social media links. And then finally, over here, you want to add your tax form, and then you want to add your PayPal email address, and then agree to the terms of service. Now, it's important that you read the terms of service, because this is very important, because if you don't follow the terms of service, you may get banned from the site. And then after that, you just submit your application, and after a while or a few days, you will get a response as to whether your application has been accepted or not. Now, I mentioned earlier on that I'm really excited about the marketplace. Now, this is mainly because for those of you that want to make some money on the side using Divi, this is where now you can create your products and add them onto the marketplace, and this is where you're going to be making your sales. Now, as you know, Divi has more than 700,000 customers, so your product is going to be in the hands of pretty much all these customers. But of course, it doesn't mean that you should not do any marketing. You still have to do your marketing to really get your product out there. But we have the numbers. The people are there that are potentially going to buy your product. So all you have to do is to create an amazing product, and chances are it will be successful. Now, this is the moment to go in and apply to become a creator, because it's not saturated yet. So the more you wait, it's going to be more competitive. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. And also let me know what you think about the marketplace in the video descriptions below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.